Welcome back to the channel. It's 67 degrees, April 1st, finally, April. Got a little bit to fish here, got the kayak loaded up, and it is windy, really windy actually, but like I said, we got a couple hours to fish, so we're going to try it. So we'll go out here and it's probably going to be a cranking day with the wind, spinner baits, rat bait, crankbaits, cranking day. So we'll see you guys when we get there. This one's actually one of my favorite ponds. It's big, goes clear up and around there, clear back in the channel, way in the back. Good ones in here. I say good ones, like I said, we're in West Virginia, in the hills. So I know there's, I think the biggest one I've caught out here is right around 7. So I know there's 5, 6, and 7s in here. So we'll see if we can't get them. If you get the kayak unloaded, get the poles ready. See you guys in a minute. At least we've got a bite so far. Oh, there's one. That feels like a pretty good one, actually. Might be a good one. Yeah, it is. Man, that is a pretty good one. He's foul hooked or something. Well, he feels big. I don't know what's going on there. It's like an old dead log coming in. Boy, he's cold. Cold. Come here. Come here. First fish of the day. Missed one a minute ago. Butterball. You're cold. Cold, cold, cold. Alright. I did end up tying a different spinner bait on. A little more natural color, bluegill color pattern. It's clear water. I don't think that coleslaw style might be a little too bright. Let's see if we can't figure something out. Oh, well, feels like another decent one, but so did the last one. I feel like my right line's wrapped around something, man. Oh, he definitely went into something there. Staying down though. Little one, man. You guys are fighting like crazy. Fooling me today. Pin good. Pin good. Little fatties. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Come on, big girls, where you at? I'd like to say it was a good one again, but probably just a little one. Man, oh, now it's got me into something. Come on, come out of it. Come, there she goes. Yeah. Another little football. Man, they were fighting good. Thank you, thank you. The old beaver bass. Gotta love them. Thank you. They're stacked up on that little brush coming off that beaver hut over there, I can tell you that. I wish there was a big one over there. Ferocious today, my goodness. Another little one. Thank you. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Get my hands on you. Get my hands on you. And don't chill well, they're gonna blow me in there with you guys. Little fellers today. But we'll take them. This wind is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I think it's good. Yes, it is. Come on around. Come here. Come here. About the same size today. About the same size today. Won't have to take it though. Thank you. Alright. Eventually, hopefully we can run into a big one. Well, one off the camera there. Come here. They're about the same size as the rest of them. Alright, that's going to do it for me for this pond. This wind is kicking my butt. Well, it's going to do it for that one. Officially literally blew me off the pond. Caught a couple, so Just can't fight it. Between the wind blowing the boat in circles, pulling the anchor all around, just not worth it. So we're gonna go look at another one real quick down in a little pocket. Maybe it's out of the little wind a little bit, but see you here in a minute. We're here, and guess what? Just as windy here. So we're gonna try it. Get the boat out, see what we can do. Well, I'll tell you right now, I'm gonna make a couple casts and get out of here. £10 anchor won't even hold the boat. That's when you have to blow it too hard. We caught one, I guess. Easy. You ain't sticking me with that. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh. Comes the rain. Right at the boat, a good one. Oh, nice, baby. Stay on, big girl. That's a good one right there. Come here, right at the boat. Give me your mouth. Ooh, yeah, pretty. Good fish. Big old mouth on her. Skinny though. Skinny. Thank you, girl. Thank you. Thank you. I mean, smoked it right at the boat. Smoked it right at the boat. Take it. Oh, be a good one. Might be a good one. Good enough. Not too shabby. Good one, fine. Pulling good. Pretty one. Pretty. Come here. We got that rat. All up in your face. Gotta get these pliers. On the right. Only a decent one. Well, that's gonna do it for that trip. The wind kicked my butt. I don't even know. And I caught several fish, a couple good ones, but I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to post this video. We'll see. We'll look at the footage. I mean, the wind was terrible. You're probably not gonna be able to hear nothing but wind. So if the footage is real bad, you might not even see it, but we'll see. But all right, we'll see you guys.